The sal leaf comes from the sal tree, which is abundantly available in forests just like this. The leaves are harvested for 7 months of the season starting in March. The leaves are actually taken from the bottom of the tree. For the rest of the year, the trees are given a chance to replenish naturally, making this a truly sustainable solution. Most of all, unlike anything made of plastic, this raw material is completely free. The leaves are then compiled and stored in a safe space for the season. Depending on the dish that's being made, they are then arranged in a formation and held together by nothing but twigs. Then, highly skilled workers, mostly women, literally stitch these leaves together. The machines used are mechanical and do not use any electricity. The stitched leaves are then put through a press, which is also mechanical. The heat burns off all of the moisture and bacteria. The excess leaves are also used for fuel. The end product is a beautiful, leak-proof, sustainable dish that will biodegrade in your backyard in no more than 45 days. Our partnered production facility currently employs mostly women from 17 different villages and counting. This in turn empowers the education of their children, keeping them off the streets and away from child labor. These dishes are currently available in various shapes and sizes. However, as usual, we at HeyJute will be using this material and innovating to create even more ways of replacing single-use plastic. So do follow us and stay tuned.